So pull me closer, why don't you pull me close? Why don't you come on over? I can't just let you go.
Hey y'all, so I'm Brianna MUA. I'm back with a tutorial, a makeup tutorial. Just something quick and cute. I thought it would be fun to do my makeup right here in front of this beautiful view of the beach, which I will show you guys in a second. I'm currently on a family vacation.
And it's Kate.
So
and we're on a vacation today.
yeah. So yeah.
Come get
If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, thumbs up the video, click the link so you guys never miss a beat or any of my uploads. Yeah, so if you'd like to see how I achieve this simple, pretty look using the Morphe Brushes Jaclyn Hill palette, just continue watching. Thank you. So loves, jumping right on into this video. I thought it would be really fun, being that I had a lot of natural light coming from the outside of the gorgeous sunset here on the beach, Panama City. I'm just going right in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony. And I'm filling in my brows. And y'all, I will tell you, it's very hard trying to pack lights if you're planning to do makeup while you're on a trip. I thought I had everything, which I pretty much did. I said I was going to pack one palette, which was the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. And I only used that. And I did my makeup like twice. We stayed 4 days and 3 nights. But the only thing I forgot was my color corrector for around my mouth. But I just used concealer, which you'll see later on in the video. But yeah, pretty much I just go in with light brush strokes like so. And I like to have the front of my brows look a little natural. So I like to do that feathered brow look. And that's just easy to achieve by flipping the brush like I did. And just going in with a few straight lines. So now I'm just using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. And I mixed it with a little bit of my Fenty Beauty foundation. And I'm the shade 430. But I do have a little tan, you know, due to the summer sun. But not too much that it's a big deal that I went out and changed my foundation shade. Because I really haven't been in the sun much. So I'm just cleaning up my brows at the bottom. You guys know I like to use my concealer shade at the bottom. And I use my foundation shade at the top. And if you guys are familiar with Fenty Beauty's foundation, it does look a little weird until it oxidizes. So don't be alarmed at the color difference. And yeah, I'm just running my mouth. We had just gotten there probably like an hour before I recorded this. So we were still taking in the awesome view. Now I'm priming my face with the Benefit Poreless, I think, primer. And it smells really good. And excuse my ashy hands. I didn't put on any lotion until after I recorded the video. I think we were about to go out to dinner. We ended up going to TGI Fridays because we didn't realize that a lot of the restaurants were like 20 minutes out. And we didn't want to go that far out. That was my actual, well, all of our first time eating there, and I wasn't just too crazy about it. Let me know in the comments if you guys have a TGI Fridays near you, or if you've ever been. So yeah, I'm just taking my concealer and color correcting around my mouth. And then I set my concealer with my Airspun powder. And then I'm going in with my foundation. Oh, and that's another thing I forgot. I forgot my stippling brush, so I'm just using my beauty blender, damp beauty blender, to buff out my foundation. So I'm continuing to buff this into the skin. You guys can tell this isn't my normal like routine. I really wouldn't recommend doing this. Only you know, I would put the foundation on first with like a brush or something like that, then go in and buff to kind of clean up the foundation with the beauty blender. It just looks blotchy to me after a while, or you know, once you get to looking at it in pictures and stuff like that. But it may work for you. So I'm just blending the foundation on into my neck. Now I'm going in with my concealer under the eye, which is still toffee. And I'm just going to buff that into the skin as well. And I'm putting it in my usual spot. So yeah, the kids are having a blast playing with the lights and such in the background. And now I'm just setting my concealer with my Airspun powder. And my boyfriend is always nearby. And then I'm contouring. And you pretty much can use anything to contour. Blush. I'm using the Patrick Star Duo powder in the Miso Fleek. Well, from the Miso Fleek collection. And setting my eyelids to prep them for my eyeshadow. And that's me, y'all, fussing at the kids. Like I said, they're so excited. Now I'm just wiping off that excess powder. And I'm going to just do like a really simple, easy eye. Anybody can achieve this. The rules you want to remember when doing your eyeshadow is your transition shade, which allows your eyeshadows to blend seamlessly. And you can use like pretty much any shade, just depending on what kind of eye look you're going for. Any neutral shade is pretty much best. But I'm using this kind of orange shade. And then I'm going to deepen up the crease with a like brick red. That you'll see in just a second. And I'm placing that brick red in the outer V and fading that into the crease. And just to deepen up that outer V and crease a little bit more, I'm going in with like a deep plum shade. And I'm feeling it how it's coming along, y'all. Don't mind me. And I'm just blending that on out. And then I really found that this orange was very, very bright. And it complemented what I was wearing, which is this two-piece outfit I got from Target. It has this pretty like orange shade in there, so I decided to put that on the crease. Very pretty and vibrant. And I'm just packing that on. Nothing special. No cut crease. Just something simple. So now I'm using my Marc Jacobs eyeliner pencil, gel eyeliner. And I really love it because it glides on so smooth. It doesn't give you that scratchy feeling. And now I'm just fading out the bottom lash line. Kind of smoking it out. Now I'm going in with the Artist Couture Jackie Aina highlighter collection, and I love the shade, the peach one. I forgot what it's called, So Peachy or something like that. I don't know, but I'm using that for a highlight today. And putting it at the tip of my nose as well. Yeah, I can't get over how ashy I am. Now I'm just going in with some last minute touches. I'm snatching that nose with some eyeshadow. It's all about illusions. And I'm going in and completing the brows, as you can see what I was talking about with those strokes, how it looks so natural. And check out my eyebrow tutorial. I will link that down below as well. And I'm going in with my clear brow gel to seal it in. Going in with my favorite lip liner, MAC Chestnut lip liner, and I actually have like two of them. One is a nub, and I actually lost the other one, and so I went out and bought another one. So this is like the 10th one I've had. I'm just lining my lips, and I'm going to be using a nude lippy. It really doesn't matter. Like the brand, it's a cheap something I got from TJ Maxx. Check that beat out, y'all. So I'm going in with my lashes and just placing those on. I actually got these lashes from Glory Dolls. You can check them out on IG. And they are pretty old. I like to stack mine because I like that Kim Kardashian look. So now I'm just going in with my lipstick and patting and blending that on out. And then I'm going to go back in with my lip liner and kind of ombre things out. And then I'm going in with just like a nudie peach lip gloss from MAC. And topping that on top. I've been loving a nude glossy look. This lip gloss is a little bit too light for my liking, but I made it work. Later on that night, I used an orange lippy, but that pretty much sums up this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Check out me and La Familia here on this gorgeous beach. And yeah, tune in for the next video. Love you guys.
Gotta get in the camera.